Hi, I'm Matt, lead physiotherapist.
Hi, I'm Steve, Director of Operations.
And welcome to Nuffield Health Ipswich Hospital.
We provide a wide range of services, including musculoskeletal physiotherapy, sports injury rehabilitation, post-operative care and advanced biomechanical assessments. At Nuffield Health Ipswich, we're always looking to bring the latest technology into our practice to improve our patients' outcomes. That's why we've introduced Footscan Phits, an innovative system that allows us to assess how your feet and body move in real time. Footscan is a dynamic pressure analysis system. It measures how forces travel through your feet while you walk or run. This gives us a detailed insight into movement patterns, loading and areas of stress that we simply couldn't see with traditional assessment alone. We use this technology across a wide range of patients, from those with persistent pain to runners looking to optimise performance and even in post-surgical rehabilitation. It allows us to tailor treatment far more precisely. One of the key advantages is how we prescribe orthotics. Traditional methods are often based on static measurements or casting. With Phits, we can design fully customised 3D printed orthotics based on your dynamic movement data, how you actually function, not just how you stand. This means better accuracy, improved comfort, and ultimately better results for our patients. If you're experiencing foot pain, lower limb issues, or want a more detailed assessment of your movement, we're here to help. To book an appointment, you can contact Nuffield Health Ipswich Hospital directly or visit our website. We look forward to supporting your recovery and performance.